Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear friends, in part 4, I have explained about the pros and cons of traditional grazing method. In this video, I will explain about semi-intensive grazing method. Here you can see an image. In this image, you clearly see one shed as well as the sheep is grazing in the open land. This is called intensive grazing. Under the semi-intensive grazing method, sheep and goats are grazed sometimes in the fields and rest of the time in sheds. Under this method, necessary feeding, clean drinking water, and disease management systems, etc., adopted and monitored and provided in shed itself. This method is well suited to rural youth where there is greenery and wasteland both is available.